Hi guys, we are here at Sebring International Speedway on the second event of the SCCA Mayor Hoosier Super Tour. We just finished our second qualifying for this event right here at Sebring. Yesterday we managed 225 on the lap, and today we managed a 222. So we definitely improved a lot of time and put us on the P2 for the afternoon race. So it's going to be a fun race because all the cars are very near on the time. So definitely it's going to be a good race to watch here at Sebring International Speedway. Beer Street is coming. Trust me, it's coming to the Nationals.
Second place today, Jorge.
Hi guys, this is the third day on the SCCA Major Hoosier Super Tour right here at Sebring Speedway. Yesterday we came to the first race of the weekend with a P2 on the qualifying, and then we started the race, and after 3 laps our shifter broke, so that leave us out of the race. So we have to come to the pits, and that was it for us for that race. Then on the night, the crew worked to repair the shifter on the car, and then we start the Sunday race from P2 again, because our best time was 2:22, and that's the time that counts for the position on the grid. The green flag comes in, and it was a battle from first, second, third, and fourth the whole race. So after battling with all those cars, we came to the checkered flag and second place, just right behind the first place. It was a very good day for us, and definitely we are on the books right now, and for Atlanta we are going to be better shape to fight for the win.